everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anup Singh. You are watching AeroTech Advance YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss related to how do aircraft jet engine works. Everyone is aware about that aircraft engine, aircraft propulsion system, but the important thing is that how that engine is work. So in this video we are going to discuss about that topic. So guys, let's start this video. So guys, in this video topic is related to how do the aircraft engine works. So here I have taken three important points related to that topic, so you guys are understand well to define how the aircraft engine is work. The first point is that introduction of jet engine. That is very important before starting that working principle of jet engine. First, you guys aware about the introduction, and then second is part of jet engine, the important parts of the jet engine. The third point is how a jet engine works. So in that third point you guys are going to understand well that how the jet engine works. So guys, let's start with the help of first point. So the first point related to introduction of jet engine. We knows that the first jet engine was built by the Egyptian scientist during the 100 BC. What I have shown here, that is called aeropile. That aeropile is the example that how the jet engine is work, and Egyptian scientists are already invented on or at the time of 100 BC. So aeropile is the example of the jet engine, and it is also called hero's engine. So this is the small history part related to jet engine. The jet engine is nothing but it is a gas turbine engine. Its work under the principle of Newton's third law, that we already knows that the Newton's third law stated that every action has equal and opposite reaction. So in that principle jet engine is work, and gas turbine engine operates like a toy balloon. We knows that we are filling the air inside the balloon, and once we are going to release, it's move forward. So that is the principle we are learning in the case of jet engine. Similarly jet engine is worked, and that video I already made on the previous video. If you find out, that is called, the topic is jet propulsion. Second point is part of jet engine. So before going how do the aircraft engine work, so try to understand first part of the engine. So guys, there are total 5 primary components or 5 parts, total 5 parts, main parts of the jet engine. That is, first one is intake, that is also called fan. Second is compressor. Third one is combustor, that is called combustion chamber. Fourth one is turbine, and fifth one is nozzle. So this is all 5 is the primary component or the main component of the jet engine. Jet engine is nothing but gas turbine engine. You can find out this video also in my YouTube channel. I already made that related to gas turbine engine. So guys, this is the main 5 components. First you guys are aware. Then we are going to see one by one how this jet engine is work. The third point, that is the important point related to today's video, that is how a jet engine works. So let's see, the jet engines move the airplane or aircraft forward with a great force that is produced by the tremendous thrust with the help of engine, and that causes a plane or airplane or aircraft fly faster. So guys, the thrust produced by the engine with the contribution of all 5 primary components of the jet engine, that is we already seen, that is intake, compressor, combustion chamber, turbine and nozzle. That's the reason I have explained first before starting this main topic how the jet engine work. So let's start with the help of this 5 primary component and the contribution of this 5 all primary components, where the jet engine is able to produce thrust. So let's start with first component. So guys, the first component in the jet engine, that is air intake, that is in some engine also called fan, in turbofan engine, but generally it is referred as a intake. The main function of the intake is to decelerate the flow, suck the required amount of the flow and decelerate the flow and send to the compressor. This is the main function of the intake. And then second primary component, that is compressor. The compressor having series of rotor blade and stator blade. So with the help of that, compressor is compressed air at required amount. So through the air, the fluid or air is passes to the compressor. The compressor is capable to increase the pressure, speed and temperature respectively. So this is the main function of compressor, that is the second component, primary component of jet engine. The third component of jet engine is combustion chamber. The highly pressurized air enter into the combustion chamber. The required amount of the fuel and compressed air mixture take place inside the combustion chamber with the help of atomizer. Atomizer is one of the component that doing the mixing purpose. And then you can find out this mixture is ignite with the help of igniter and combustion process take place. And finally, the highly heated gas are produced at the required amount in jet engine. The required amount means at required amount of mass flow rate and temperature, with respect to temperature, pressure and density, what's the required by the turbine in order to produce the thrust. So this is about the combustion chamber process. The fourth component of the jet engine is turbine. The function of the turbine in the jet engine is to convert the fuel chemical energy into the mechanical energy. Means whatever the highly heated gases are produced by the combustion chamber, that is the third component, that is converted because of fuel with the help of fuel chemical energy. So that's the reason here to convert the fuel chemical energy into the mechanical work. So this mechanical work is used to power up or rotate the compressor with the help of turbine. So this is the function of turbine. The fifth last component, primary component of jet engine is nozzle, that is also called propelling nozzle. So let's see, the main function of the nozzle is to convert the pressure energy of the gases, highly heated gases, into the kinetic energy of the flow. So the highly heated or highly energized air after passing the nozzle is leaving at a very high speed. So that process is giving the reaction force of the whole aircraft body. So aircraft is moved in forward direction. So that is called thrust. Thrust is nothing but is forward motion of the aircraft because of reaction force produced by the aircraft engine. And we are defining this all the process with the help of principle of Newton's third law. That is, every action has equal and opposite reaction. So guys, this is a 5 main component is responsible or giving the contribution to produce a product that is called thrust. So in this way, in jet engine works and produce the thrust. So guys, I hope so you guys are understand about today topic, how do the aircraft engine works. So you guys know generally aircraft engine is used for producing the thrust that is required by the aircraft moving in forward direction to produce the lift. So guys, with the help of this all 3 points what we are discussed in this video, that defining the whole process, how the engine is produce thrust, how the jet engine is work. So I hope so you guys are understand well about this topic. If you guys have any queries, you can ask in the comment box of this video. And guys, thank you for watching this video, and I need a little favor of all the candidates. Provide your comments and feedback in this video, so I will make better in coming of the videos in my YouTube channel. So guys, okay, fine. So thank you so much for watching this video.